Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the term inductive effect. That effect is very important while studying organic chemistry. Inductive effect, there are two types of effects, electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron donating inductive effect. With the help of that effect, different properties of organic compounds can be explained. Now we go through inductive effect. Inductive effect, it is a permanent polarization effect, and such type of effect is observed in case of covalent compounds. Consider a molecule in which there is a covalent bond formation between similar atoms. In that case, electronegativity of both atoms is same. At that time, the shared electron pair is in equidistance between these two atoms, and in that case there is no charge separation takes place. Such type of molecules are known as non-polar molecules. The inductive effect is shown in those compounds in which the bond is formed between dissimilar atoms. Suppose the chemical bond is formed between atom A and atom B having different electronegativities. Suppose atom B is more electronegative than atom A, and at that time the polarization is observed in the molecule. The atom B carries partial negative charge and atom A carries partial positive charge. Such type of permanent polarization observed due to difference in electronegativities of two bonded atoms, that polarization effect is known as inductive effect, and such molecules are polar molecules. For example, molecules like hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, that is chloromethane, fluoromethane, etc. In that case, the bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms having different electronegativities. Such molecules are polar molecules because there is charge separation takes place, and the molecules in which there is no charge separation are known as non-polar molecules. For example, hydrogen, chlorine, etc. In that case, the partial positive or negative charge is not seen. Such molecules are known as non-polar molecules, and inductive effect is related to polar molecules, that is bond formed between two dissimilar atoms. There are two types of inductive effects, electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron donating inductive effect. First we see what is meant by electron withdrawing inductive effect. Let us see electron withdrawing inductive effect. It is also known as minus I effect. That effect is shown by electron withdrawing atoms or groups which are more electronegative than carbon atoms. In case of organic compounds, when carbon is attached to more electronegative atom, in that case that carbon is attached to more electronegative chlorine atom, and as chlorine is more electronegative, it has the tendency to pull the electron density toward itself, and therefore chlorine carries partial negative charge and that carbon carries partial positive charge. The displacement of charge is from carbon to chlorine, and such type of displacement is shown like this. There is an arrow in middle of the bond. That arrow, it is used to show inductive effect, and inductive effect it is shown in case of compounds where there is a sigma bond, that is inductive effect passes through sigma bond. That is very important. In case of organic compounds, when there are sigma bonds and if there is difference in electronegativities of two atoms, in that case the inductive effect is seen, and inductive effect passes through sigma bond. Always remember that. In that case, as chlorine withdraws the electron density toward itself, it carries partial negative, that carbon carries partial positive charge, and as that carbon becomes electron deficient, it has again the tendency to pull the electron density toward itself. Therefore, that second carbon atom again becomes electron deficient. Thus, that inductive effect passes through sigma bond, and that inductive effect is shown up to 4 bonds. After 4 bonds, that inductive effect becomes decreases, or after 4 bonds that effect vanishes, and in that case the positive charge on carbon atom number 1, carbon atom number 2 and carbon atom number 3. It is observed that the positive charge on carbon atom number 1 is greater than carbon atom number 2, which is greater than carbon atom number 3, and thus the groups which withdraws the electron density toward itself, such groups are known as electron withdrawing groups, and that effect is known as electron withdrawing inductive effect. The groups like OH, SH or NH2 or chlorine, bromine, iodine, carboxylic acid group, such type of groups have the tendency to withdraw electrons towards itself. Such groups are known as electron withdrawing groups. This is regarding inductive effect. That groups shows minus I effect when they are attached to carbon system. This is the carbon system, and when such groups are attached to carbon system, then they shows electron withdrawing inductive effect, and it is shown through sigma bond. Now we see what is meant by electron donating inductive effect. Electron donating atom or group, when it is attached to carbon chain or carbon system, then the electron density between carbon and that atom, it withdraws towards carbon system, and in that case, as that group donates the electron density towards carbon system, therefore that group is electron donating group. In that case, carbon, it is more electronegative than this group, and when carbon is more electronegative, it has the tendency to pull electron density toward itself. In that case, that Y atom is electropositive and that carbon becomes electronegative. There is a partial negative charge and there is a partial positive charge. Such type of donating effect is known as electron donating inductive effect. And as we see in withdrawing inductive effect, as that carbon becomes electron rich, it has, that carbon also have the tendency to pull the electron density toward itself. Again it carries partial negative charge. Again that carbon atom number 3 also pulls the electron density toward itself. Again it becomes partial negative charge. But the partial negative charge decreases from carbon atom number 1 to carbon atom number 3. That is, on carbon atom number 1, partial negative charge is delta negative, which is greater than charge on carbon atom number 2 and carbon atom number 3. Thus, in case of electron donating inductive effect, the atom or group which donates the electron density to carbon system, such effect is known as electron donating inductive effect. And the groups like methyl group, isopropyl group or tertiary butyl group, these groups have the tendency to donate electron density towards carbon chain and they show plus I effect. Thus, there are two types of inductive effects, electron donating inductive effect and electron withdrawing inductive effect. Any atom or group which is attached to carbon system, if it withdraws the electron density toward itself, then there is a electron withdrawing inductive effect. And if any atom or group attached to carbon system and if it donates the electron density towards carbon chain, then it is plus I effect, that is electron donating inductive effect. And always remember that inductive effect passes through sigma bond and not through pi bond, and that inductive effect, it is a permanent polarization effect observed in the molecule. With the help of inductive effect, we can decide the acidity and basicity of the molecules. that effects are very important while studying organic chemistry. Thanks for watching this video.